The KCMconmey 4 is a versatile DIY NAS case designed to accommodate both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, offering flexibility for various storage needs. Its support for a Mini ITX motherboard makes it an excellent choice for compact and efficient setups, ensuring you can maximize your hardware options within a small footprint. The case also supports a Flex or 1U power supply unit, providing options for different power requirements and making it adaptable for various configurations. With the ability to house a single-slot full-height PCI-e expansion card, you can easily add a video or network card, enhancing the functionality of your system. Equipped with 2 front USB 3.0 ports, this case ensures fast data transfer speeds, which is essential for efficient network-attached storage operations. The pre-installed 8-centimeter replaceable fan helps maintain optimal cooling, ensuring your components remain at a stable temperature during intensive operations.